DISD peeps. This is the Tech Diva here. I'm going to show you how to set your printing preferences for the Xerox copiers that are around our district. This will work on all our copiers except for the ones at Carson who have color codes and the ones at Young who have copy codes. But this should work for all the other campuses. These instructions will not work if you are using Ventura. It will work on Big Sur and Monterey. If you don't know what version OS you are running on, go up to Apple, About This Mac, and you'll see it here. So it will work on version 11, Big Sur, or version 12, Monterey, but it will not work on version 13, which is Ventura. Those will be a different set of instructions. So the first thing you need to do is have a document. I find that Word documents or PDFs work best. So I'm going to open this little document. I'm going to go to File and Print. Under Printing, you'll choose your printer. They should already be installed. If they are not installed, go to Finder, go to Applications. You're going to look for this Manager app. You're going to click on the Manager app. Under Self-Service, you can go to Printers and you can reinstall the printers. You can also find other apps under here that are around the district, but I'll do some other videos on that. So now that we have our printers installed, you're going to go under Preview and you're going to look for Xerox Features. You're going to click on Xerox Features. Most people don't want to print two-sided, so they're going to change that to one-sided. The next thing we have to do is we have to turn on black and white only. You are not allowed to print in color unless you get a code from your campus principal. The next thing we're going to click on is Advanced under those Xerox features. You're going to go down to Accounting. Under Accounting, if Xerox Standard Accounting doesn't show up, you want to pick that from the drop down. Accounting Prompts, you only want to prompt for color, and you're going to hit OK. Now you want to save these settings so you don't have to do them every time you print. So go back up to Presets, Save Current Settings. I always name them black, white printing. I pick all printers. That way if you have to select a different copier around the district, these settings are still there. And you're going to hit OK. As long as you see that preset there, you should be able to hit Print. If you change copiers, again, change the preset to black and white, and you won't have to put those settings back in again. And you hit Print, and then it's sent to the copier. If you don't have Xerox features, you'll need to reinstall the printers, or you're going to need to call the technology department and we will help you out with that. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Have a great day.